To link your Google Classroom classes to Quizizz, you'll want to go to Quizizz.com and either log in or sign up if you haven't logged in previously with the same Google account that you use for Google Classroom. So choose login with Gmail, choose that school email address, and that is going to let us import our Google Classroom classes. Over here on the sidebar, choose classes and then import from Google. It'll show you a list of all the Google classes associated with the Gmail account that you logged in with, and you can uncheck ones that you don't want if you don't intend on posting games for that class. If you have younger students, you might want to require them to enter a guardian's email address and send a message to the parents to help the kids with this sign-up process. I don't require it for my students since they're high school. It's going to pull in the list of students from Google Classroom. It's a little bit of a different process for these students than it was with Edpuzzle. With Edpuzzle, when you pulled in the roster, they were automatically part of the class, and when the students log into Edpuzzle, they just see all of the videos. Here, they have been sent an invitation to join this class on Quizizz, and they have to accept that invite as part of just the process of playing one of the first games. Now, you don't have to create these classes or import the classes if you just want to use Quizizz for live review games, but it's helpful if you want to assign games for them as part of their homework, or if you're in a remote learning situation, you can assign the reviews for them.